Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
In response to the critical issue of pipeline vandalization in the oil-rich Niger Delta, a strong call has been made to the youths in the region to abandon these illegal activities and instead embrace the numerous legitimate livelihood opportunities available in agriculture. Comrade Chibuike Emmanuel, the national president of Niger Delta Youth Peace Builders, delivered this message during a recent workshop held in collaboration with the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC in Umuahia, the capital of Abia State.
In the last 11 years, Nigeria has lost over 16 trillion naira to oil theft, due largely pipeline vandalization and economic sabotage. This illegal business, which is the bane of oil companies operating in Nigeria, continues to thrive as individuals and groups reportedly steal the natural resources for personal gain or as raw materials for high-risk artisanal crude oil refining. Aside from the economic downsides, it has resulted in multiple explosions, leading to the loss of lives and properties, as well as large-scale environmental degradation, further complicating environmental sustainability issues in the region. In support of youth engagement in this illicit practice, some observers have continued to argue that host communities should be co-beneficiaries with the government in the proceeds from the exploration and exploitation of the resources on their lands that have not just left the environment despoiled, but in their need of meaningful development. To disabuse the minds of youths in the Niger Delta region from resorting to pipeline vandalization and sabotage, the Niger Delta Youth Peace Builders, in collaboration with the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC in Abia State, organized a one-day sensitization workshop for some selected youths in the region. In a paper presentation on the environmental and economic impact of pipeline sabotage and peace as a means for sustainable development in the region, Dr. Jonah Oje called on the youths to look at other sustainable sources of livelihood other than pipeline vandalism, while recommending an integrated youth program and sensitization in the most affected communities. Some guests at the events, Honorable Onyedi Okuneye and Comrade Chika Nwabweze, called on the government to ensure that measures are put in place that will discourage youths from engaging in criminality in the region.
The government can provide short grants, loans, family equipment. You'll be surprised that people are ready to work hard.
The government is also making efforts to ensure that those things that are causing this kind of sabotage, scooping of oil from pipelines, and the illegal drilling of oil, that the government, put a stop to it by, providing good governance.
For his part, the national president, Niger Delta Youth Peace Builders and convener of the workshop, Comrade Chibuike Emmanuel, appreciated the intervention agency under the leadership of Dr. Samuel Oboko for maintaining a youth-friendly disposition in its programming.
Most times it's idleness. When someone is idle, the next crime is his friends. So by engaging them in work or skill acquisition program, I think it will help to minimize this oil pipeline vandalization.
To further curb the menace of pipeline vandalization and economic sabotage, the legalization of artisanal crude oil refining still serves as one sure way of engaging the youths and bridging the unemployment gap in the region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,